Hey yo, what's going on, you guys? Thank you so much for being here. Welcome to my channel. And yes, I'm Muso Mahung, and today I'm gonna rank the best Tangkhul and the most popular Tangkhul food. So this is totally gonna be my opinion. Somebody might say that this is not the way it is, but that's totally up to you guys. So I'm gonna rank the most popular Tangkhul food according to my knowledge, of course. So let's go. Here we go. Here we go. Yes, this is the tier list for the most popular Tangkhul food. So I have here in the table category of best, good, not bad, not my taste, and the last one is forget it. So we'll start with yam. That is Hong Kong pie. My sister insists me to put this in number one, so I'll put this in the best category, okay? Alright, this is one of the best, of course. I wouldn't deny it. Next, we have Yung. I don't know how to call this in English, man. Not really important. Forget it. Next, we have Shamaroy. This is like one of the best spices that we put in meat when we are cooking for something that is not bad category, not bad. Next we have beans, which is totally my favorite, man. Actually, I'd say bean is good, man. Good, in a good category. I'll put it here. Next we have Kok Tuiwon. This is a flower that grows during springtime, I believe, which have a weird aroma. I mean, the aroma, that's the whole taste. I mean, and this is not really my, I'm not sure about it. It totally depends on who prepared the food, man. So I'll put it here. Not bad, not really. Next we have beef. I mean, beef is one of the most popular food, that we consume as a Tangkhul people. It's meat. I like it. I'll just put here in a good category. Alright, next we have here is spring onion, I believe, which is we have a very good authentic spring onion, okay, Tangkhul people, and I believe this is not that bad, but you know, I'll just put here at not bad. I mean, even if I don't eat it, I wouldn't go a mile for it, but that's perfect. Let's put it right there. Next we have Hampet Han. I don't know how to call this in English as well. Hampet Han. This is one of the most popular Tangkhul food, but it also depends on who prepared the foods. I mean, if this is me who prepared this cuisine, how to say it, I don't know, cuisine or cuisine, it's totally gonna suck, but if somebody who knows how to prepare it makes it, then it's good. So I'll put it right here in not bad category. Next we have here is chicken. Of course, chicken is one of the most popular food consumed all over the world, and we Tangkhul people love chicken as well, but our chicken is more special than your chicken, okay? But yeah, here we go. I'll put it right here in the good category, not bad. Next we have pumpkin. We generally just have a lot of variety, a lot of pumpkin varieties we have. This one is one of the most popular one. I usually don't like pumpkin growing up, so but nowadays I gotta taste the smaller one. That's good. I like it, but I'll just put it right there. Next we have here is pea eggplant, right? It's the wild eggplant, like the little one that grows in the wild. It's actually very good with chutney, so I like it. I'll put it right here, not bad. And the next one we have here is snail, right? Snail is this particular snail is a black snail, which we totally we fetch it from paddy field most of the time, which is one of the best. And this is one of the most popular anything that's related to seafood. I think this is one of the most popular type of seafood that we consume other than fish, and this is one of the best. I totally like this. This is one of my favorite food ever. So I'll put it right there for the snail and the good category. The next one we have here is Yongcha, which is totally one of the most popular. Anytime, this is very not only expensive. This is like a meme. This is like culture, just for Manipur, all Tangkhul people as well. This is one of the best. I mean, I'm not really much of a die-hard fans like other people, but I'll put it right there. So I'll put it in the best category. The next one we have here is pork, of course, which is one of the most amazing meat. This is like one of the most. This is like the most popular food that we ever consume in Tangkhul community. We have smoked pork, we have a roasted pork. We prepared it in many ways. The one that I put here, the best category, the yam and pork. We mix it. It might be kind of weird to hear about it, but it's so good when it's roasted and smoked. The next one we have here is Kongrihan. I don't know how to say it in English, man. I forgot. It sounds fancy with the scientific name. Kongrihan is not that bad. It's like a creeper, right? Creeper. I don't know how to say it. It's usually in the paddy fields, and it tastes kind of bitter, and it's fun. It's good. I'll put it right there in not bad category. The next one we have here is shoibum. Shoibum is one of the most popular one, and this is like a fermented bamboo shoot. And this one I gotta put here, right here, man. This goes along with a lot of other food. Next time I think I'll be doing cuisine food. I mean, you know, foods and cuisines totally similar, but very different. You know what I mean. The next one I have here is namkor. This is like a ear mushroom, right? That attached as a parasitic fungus in plants in a dead tree. I think this is one of the best kind of mushroom that is very popular in the Tangkhul community, and I totally like it, but not the best. Is it the best? No, it's good. I'll put it right there in the good category. The next one we have here is eggplant. I mean Thai eggplant, we say, not the eggplant like the normal eggplant, like the aubergine in British way, right? Fancy. Okay, so this one is one of my favorite actually, and I'll put it right here in not bad category. Next one I have here is shabot. This one is card family, and this is not bad, but is it not my taste? I don't know. I'll put it right here. Next I have here is hornet larva. Okay, this is one of the most popular. This is seasonal. I mean, we used to cultivate it. We used to domesticate, right? Is that how you say it? And we used to keep it in our backyard. We used to cultivate this, I mean, and this is hella expensive as well. But is it good? Is it bad? I don't know. Is it good? Is it bad? It's good for some people, but for me, I don't know. I don't really have the fancy way of tasting this. I don't know how to explain it either. Not bad. I like it sometimes. Not really my favorite. The next one is we have here is a wild tomato. What happened to my wild tomato? This one grows as a bigger plant than the normal tomatoes. This one has a weird sour taste in it. Is it good? Is it bad? I don't know. Not my taste. I'm not really sure. People like it. People hate it. I don't know. I don't never really come across people who say I hate it, but who will go on talk about how they hate the vegetables and all. So I'll just put it right there. I guess it's not my taste. And the next one we have here is vario. I don't know how to say it, but this is also a mushroom. It's like a parasitic mushroom that attached to the dead plant. This usually comes after the rainy seasons, and this is one of the best type of mushroom to ever exist and known to human being. I'll put it right there. This is very popular in Tangkhul community. Okay, next one we have is the authentic Tangkhul chili. Everybody plants this, everybody have it. This is one of the most popular one. and I totally like the taste. Or is it? Or it's just pieces, man. I'll put it right there in the not bad category. And next one I have is string beans. String beans is a story for me, man. I love string beans not only because it's not that good in taste per se, but this one is a memory for me. Growing up, I used to stay in my grandma's house. It's just right next to our kitchen. We grow this in the lawn, of course, in the backyard, in the front. It's like a flower. I mean, when we have a bad curry, almost all the time we have it. But this one, which we can just go outside while we are eating and we can pluck it and we can eat it. This is like a memories for me, and this is a totally one of the best. And this one create my childhood. I love it, man. It's not because of the taste. It's all about how you feel it with the foods, man. It's a story. Come on. Next, I have here is Naka King Chili, which is one of the best and the most popular, and this is like the pride of the Tangkhul community. Everybody has it. Everybody grows this. Even if you are not a farmer or a cultivator, you will have it in your pot in front of your house, even when you are in the city. And you know that they are Tangkhul people, which is very great, I believe. Next, I have here is Shongrihan. Sorudapali Shonghan Hoya. Shongrihan. This is sour in taste. This grows in a big tree, and this is good. This is not bad. Is it good? Like very good. I don't know. It's not bad. It's not bad. Next I have here is Namukhan. We call it Pipihan as well. I don't know how to say it. I don't know, man. Let me refresh this. Where is it? Oh, next we have here is Namukhan. This is in not bad category as well. Next we have here is Pulei. Pulei is it has a weird aroma in it, weird taste. That's the total point of the food. I'll put it right here in not my taste. Is it? Not my taste. Next we have here is passion fruit leaves, right? Passion fruit leaves, which is good, oh man, which is good. I'll put it right there. My battery is low. Next we have wax cart, bottle cart, right? Which is also not my taste, I believe. Next we have here is mushroom. This grows in a particular part of the earth area where it has a termite in it, and it has a very good taste, man. I actually put this in the earth category. Next I have here is boom. This is a fermented soya bean. We call it Teir, which is one of the most authentic way we eat. This is good. I'll put it right here. This is very slightly. And the next one we have here is squash. I don't know how to I don't know how to say it in English, but this is like one of the most popular ones. I wouldn't say I normally like it. I have never bought this like in my life actually. Like if we have it everywhere in our village, we give it to pig for food. We also eat it at the same time. This is like good. This is okay. I'll put it right here. All right. I think that's pretty much it.